2, 3, go.
Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day, dear Zadie. Happy Father's Day to you.
Zadie.
What do you want to tell Zadie?
We love you because you're part of our family.
Oh, that's so nice.
That's right.
You want to say you miss him?
I miss Zadie and Bobby.
Oh, that's nice. What else do you want to tell Zadie?
But Bobby's at heavy.
Yeah. Does Zadie take you to the park?
Yes.
Do you like that?
Yes. We
And
love him because he always takes us to Chuck E. Cheese.
yeah.
Play thumbs up.
Put your thumbs up, Ben. Hip hip hooray for Zadie!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip! Hooray!
Okay, come together.
Let's all and let's blow a big kiss to Zadie.
Come stand together and blow one big kiss to Zadie. Together. Oh, I think he caught it.
Yeah,
Say bye-bye.
Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.